Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to delete YouTube channel on mobile. There could be many reasons you would want to delete your YouTube account. Maybe you have multiple YouTube accounts and it keeps confusing you. Or maybe you are taking leave from YouTube. In any scenario, if you need to delete your YouTube account, we have got you covered. To do so, the process is more or less similar to the YouTube web. Here are the steps. Open the YouTube app, then click on your profile icon. Now, select Manage your Google account. And then, select Privacy and Personalization. And click on Delete a Google service. Enter your Google password. Click on the bean icon beside YouTube. Verify it's you by adding the password. And click on the down arrow beside I want to permanently delete my account. And then check both boxes. Now, click on Delete My Content. Technically, even if you delete your YouTube account, you will still have a YouTube account but without any data, content, or trail of previous activities. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.